witnessing this change in last around 1.5 year or 2 years. But of course, this has given new dimension. You people are working in other organizations, of course, professional organizations. We in PTCL, because this is very complicated organization, and of course, education level, age group, this is different from other organizations. So we were thinking initially that probably this will not work in PTCL. But I think this is the experience. We can say that the time has forced you to go to the innovations. So this time, when we started this, we had the tools, but nobody was using. And ultimately, when this came, we went on to the other regime. Of course, we found it was a pleasant surprise for all of us, rather than in PTCL. Whole of the head office, 1,500 people, they had gone to work from home. So from here, when we see, even in this organization, we are seeing that in coming years, it will not be like before COVID or even during COVID. I think now with every passing of day, new innovations are coming, new thinkings are being evolved, new procedures are being made. And I am sure that as the process will go on, we'll see so many new things at workplace. We were just talking, myself and Saqib, that now how we have to keep the employees' loyalty intact. Now these are the problems. We have gone to that regime, but of course, when you are working in any organization, of course, engagement of employees, loyalty, commitment, dedication, of course, these are the things which also matter for the business. So we have to decide that how we have to keep them engaged, how we have to keep them loyal. So loyalty level, we were just discussing, and everyone, we three was there. This is the problem which we are facing today. So I'm sure that with this type of innovations and this book rather, when we were discussing different, because I know that Ali for last few years I know him, and every time he was discussing digitalization, digital innovations. And after the summit, we had a meeting and we were discussing that how we can, what next we can do. Although it was discussed, my team member Shazia, she said that probably an idea of a book probably can work. But of course, he has brought this future of work book. I think this is excellent thing which is beneficial for everybody. This is in one book you are seeing the digital innovations, that how the coming periods will be, and I am sure this you will get it all in one place in the form of this book to strategize, to thrive and to sustain. I hope that the time will go with the same pace, and of course the innovations will accompany the time. Thank you.
Period of way can give us and guide us, guidelines how to actually visualize future of work. I have not read the book. I am sure I will also be learning a lot from by going through articles that are in the book. There are clearly benefits of work from home. हम सब ने एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि जो एम्प्लॉइज़ हैं उनका कितना टाइम सेव होता है. तकरीबन अगर कोई DHA से रोज़ आ रहा है इस्लामाबाद तो 1 घंटा उसका आने का और 1 घंटा जाने का टाइम की सेविंग है. इसी तरह ऑफिस स्पेस फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू विच हैज़ बिकम वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. तो यू कैन हैव लीन ऑफिसेस, यू कैन हैव लेसर ओवरहेड्स. तो कंपनीज के लिए भी फ़ायदा है, एम्प्लॉइज़ के लिए भी फ़ायदा है अगर वर्क फ्रॉम होम वाला सीन हो. हमें वर्क फ्रॉम होम को मीनिंगफुल बनाने के लिए वो चैलेंजेस जिनका किसी हद तक जिक्र हुआ, जैसे आसिफ ने कहा कि वो जो बोर्ड मीटिंग थी उसके अंदर द काइंड ऑफ नॉइज यू एक्सपीरियंस और योर बोर्ड एक्सपीरियंस, दैट इज़ वन. उसके अलावा ये है कि हमारे यहाँ वर्क फ्रॉम होम का पता नहीं मतलब ये समझ लिया गया है, जैसे किसी ने जिक्र भी किया कि शायद वो छुट्टी का टाइम है. ठीक है, कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम का मतलब है कि ऐश करें. ठीक है, आप बाज़ार जाएं, आप शॉपिंग करें, आप सोशलाइज करें اور کوئی کال آ جائے آفس سے اگر کوئی پوچھ لے کام کا تو بڑے انڈیفرنٹ طریقے سے اس کا جواب دے. دیر آر ویری فیو پیپل ہو آر ویری اٹینٹیو ٹو, جب ورک فرام ہوم کر رہے ہیں ان سے پوچھا جائے تو وہ کمپلیٹ آپ کو آنسر جو ہے وہ بیک کر سکیں. تو اس تصور کو جو ورک فرام ہوم کا ہے اس کو ہمیں ڈسپلن کرنے کی ضرورت ہے, امپروو کرنے کی ضرورت ہے. ٹو گیو یو این ایگزامپل, مائی ڈاٹر گریجویٹڈ فرام لمس اینڈ شی از ڈوئنگ این آن لائن جاب ود این آسٹریلین ٹیکنالوجی کمپنی. اور اس آسٹریلین ٹیکنالوجی کمپنی نے امنگ ادر تھنگس دے سینٹ ہر 2 monitors, اور وہ مانیٹرز جو ہے وہ اس نے اپنے ڈیسک پہ پلیس کر لی. تو ورک فرام ہوم یہ ہے کہ وین آفس ٹائم اسٹارٹ فرام 4 o'clock in the morning our time, اور وہ 1-1.5 بجے تک ہوتا ہے. تو شی از in present in our room and in our desk and visible to the entire office team. Or any customer can ask a question, any staff member or colleague can ask a question, and she has to reply on a real-time basis. Or if she has to go to the kitchen to fetch tea or something, or it's a lunch time, so she has to put a banner there کہ lunch لینے جا رہی ہو, it's a lunch break or it's a tea break or a coffee break. And rest of the time she has to be attentive, she has to be present virtually and through the camera, I mean to her office colleagues and customers.